Good afternoon. So today I am doing the interactive advanced concept presentation. It's the experiment number 4, and this is the fireproof balloon experiment. So pretty much in this experiment, we're going to be looking at the differences in heat transfer. Sorry, there's a bird chirping. The differences in heat transfer between liquids and gases. And we'll be using balloons to show or demonstrate this. So for this experiment here we have 2 balloons, and we also have ourselves a lighter as our source of heat. So for the first balloon, I am going to fill it completely with air. Now that I have my balloon with air here, we are going to light an open flame from the lighter and see just exactly how that would react to this and how heat will be transferred into the balloon. Oh, well, it popped. All right, so we just saw the balloon pop when exposed to the flame. That was a balloon full of air. Now let's test out exactly what would happen with the balloon filled with water. So we have our water balloon here, and we're just gonna see how it reacts when it's under above the flame. And as you see, putting it right on the balloon and it's not popping. Yep, not popping. So as you just saw, the water balloon did not pop when it had the open flame underneath it. So I guess I'll go into detail as to why that is. So basically, this is what happened. As we learned this week, heat is transferred into and through liquids, in this case water, very, very quickly. But as for gases, and in this case air, heat is transferred at a much, much slower rate. So pretty much when I put the flame up against the rubber of the balloon, the rubber immediately took in that heat. However, in the water balloon, the liquid or the water was able to absorb much of the heat coming from the rubber at the point where the flame was touching the balloon. So the heat was able to dissipate throughout the water and causing the balloon not to pop, because the rubber around that part of the balloon did not reach enough heat or a level of heat that would cause it to pop. But as for the balloon filled with air, because air has a much lower rate of heat transfer, the heat from the rubber was not able to dissipate within the air. So all of that heat was, focused and concentrated in that one spot where the flame was meeting the balloon, and the heat reached a point where it caused the balloon to pop. So that's pretty much the difference between heat transfer on liquids and gases.